A lot of people think that there's one little sperm that goes in, makes it all the way down the fallopian tube, penetrates the egg, and voila, now the egg is fertilized. Well, I'm going to break it down a little bit more for you so you could just see how fascinating and how much of a miracle you are. When the sperm enters, there's actually millions of them, and out of those millions, only a few hundred are actually going to make it through the cervical mucus and now start their route down the fallopian tube. As they go down the fallopian tube, they can actually hang out there in these little things in the fallopian tube called crypts. Once that egg is released and that egg travels down the fallopian tube, then the sperm and the egg meet, and there's actually going to be a ton of sperm poking at the egg because the egg has two layers that they need to break through, so they kind of work together trying to penetrate this egg. And then once they do, one of them's going to actually make it in there, and then as soon as this happens, there's a chemical reaction and the egg releases this thing and it creates a very hard layer around it, making it impenetrable, and therefore no other sperm can actually go in there. And when this happens, those 23 chromosomes from the egg and the 23 chromosomes from the sperm bind together, and now you have a full little tiny human, like a 46 chromosomes. If you're interested in learning more about fertility and hormones, make sure to be following along because I love sharing this stuff.